Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using an iRobot Roomba 692 and wondering how to check its battery level, you're not alone. Unlike some newer models that show an exact percentage, the Roomba 692 uses simple indicators, which can make it a bit confusing at first. Many users think the battery status isn't visible at all, but it actually is. You just need to know where to look and how to interpret the signals. Whether you want to know if it's fully charged or about to run out during cleaning, checking the battery is quick once you understand the method. The best thing is that you can check it directly on the robot or through the app in just a few seconds. Try these. Step 1. Press the clean button on your Roomba 692. Step 2. Observe the light ring color around the button. Step 3. Solid green means battery is fully charged. Step 4. Amber. Orange indicates medium or charging status. Step 5. Red light means low battery or needs charging. Step 6. Optional check battery status in the iRobot Home app.